I haven't actually washed the car since I've put the Pomponazzi coating on. This is the first time in like 3 or 4 weeks now. I've been out on a trip to the high country. Holds the dirt off pretty good so far. I actually don't know what it looks like after I clean it again, so I'm going to clean it and have a look and see what happens. Alright, have a look. Right, so car wash now. 2 buckets, one nice big deep one that I can just put some fresh water in and dip the sponge into so it releases all the dirt and gets all out into the bottom and can stay in the bottom there. And I'm only using the top part of the water. And my actual soap bucket, so it's a 1:100 ratio, so I guess 18 litres, so it's 180 mil. I hope that's right. Yeah, let's give it a go. I'm just going to guess 180 mil. I'm not going to measure it out. Kind of lazy that way. It's clean. That's about 180 mil. It's green. Alright. Put some water in and we'll start, you know, cleaning it. So, even though I've already rinsed the car to help sort of get all the big stuff off and break down some of the dirt that's already on there, I'll still give it a quick sort of wet down just before I start again and go from there. So just a nice little shower just to make it wet. Yeah. Cloth, so I'm just using a fresh microfiber cloth as well. Nice and easy. So in between each one, into the clean water bucket, then back into the soap. So the roof's had a couple of minutes now to sort of start to soak in. I'll just sort of rinse the roof off and the windscreen and give it the bottom of it a couple of minutes as well, and that'll be done. Done the headlights and grille at the front same time. Then I'll do bull bar, move on to quarter panel doors, and just start working my way back. So yeah, I'll probably time up this bit. Now my other dog's outside. Time lapse this bit. Oh, so I've just finished washing the car. Bloody good. Like, it looks nice. Like, bloody as good as the day that they actually applied the application, which I was bloody happy with then. Still got that scratch in the door, but I'm going to try and fix that now. And just give you a quick overview of the car. It's shiny again. It's good. So so that part of the pomp works really well. The scratch resistance side of it, I don't think the scratch is through the actual coating. I think it's just marked it, so I'm hoping the polish comes out. So I'm literally gonna do it now, first time on camera. If it works, great. If not, you guys will see it doesn't work. We'll give you a closer look at the actual scratch first, shall we? You can see it, it's pretty big. I even remember doing it. One branch hanging outside of the track. Alright, so I'm going to leave Mr. Cameraman there. Hopefully you can see the scratch in the... yeah, I'll zoom in a bit. See if that helps. Grab some polish. Can't feel it, so I'm hoping it's good. We'll give that a minute or two to dry and see if it comes back through. I can still see it already, so it's going to be either more or it's just going to stay there. Don't know. Just grab a little actual polishing pad or buffing pad. So I'll maybe give that a go because it's been a few minutes now and it's better, certainly a hell of a lot better, but it's still there. Now it's all clean as well. I can actually see I've got a couple other little ones just below it, so I might buff just these two doors in this section. See if I can get it out and go from there. Alright, I'm literally doing it now on camera for you. This seems to be working better. A little bit of abrasion in this pad, so. Only really light pressure, not pushing hard at all. Not even flattening the pad out, it's just enough to hold it in my hands. Grab my cleaning one. Those small ones are completely gone. Can't see them at all anymore. There. Yep. The big one here, I can still see a faint line. Polish. Hope that focuses. Still see a faint line. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera or not, but it's still going through there. Just might give it one or two more goes with the pad. Let's see how we go. I think it's pretty good. Starting to notice a couple on the front now I'm sort of getting the light working. The rest of the cars, well, it was just where there's a couple of branches came through at this height. Sort of made a bit of a mess to the side of the car. Oh, that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that overall. I can see it on the right lights and stuff, but if I sit back a bit, I can't really see it. So I don't know if you guys can see that on camera or not, but it's pretty hard to see here. So yeah, so overall, I think I quite like the Pomponazzi. It's proven to be pretty good. It's working well in the sense that I haven't washed the car in 3 weeks, and it's still relatively clean considering I've done a couple of trips in that as well. Obviously it can still be scratched, it's not impervious. Having said that, I had brushes coming up against the side of the car everywhere, and this is the only scratch I really got out of it. So it certainly is stronger. It's just a matter of it's not impervious to everything, which I don't think it's sold that way anyway. It's just, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to do the inside of the car. I don't think you guys really care about the inside of the car. I might do a bit of a time lapse just of the overall, just so you can see it. Other than that, thanks for watching, and obviously don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully by the time this video comes out I might be at 1,000 subscribers. Maybe. I'm at 826 at the moment, I think it is. So, and I'm going up like 15 a day, so a couple of weeks from now it should almost be there, hopefully. Hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any questions or want any advice, obviously I'm not a professional car detailer at all. I'm a cabinet maker and a YouTuber. So if you've got some questions though, chuck them below. I can always ask Stu, and Stu will probably reply on YouTube as well, because I know he's subscribed to my channel. He's the guy that does all the Pomponazzi. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks guys. Random thing. Probably don't let onion juice fall out of the frozen onions in your fridge and then leave it there for, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks because you're too lazy to clean your fridge out. Because it freaking stinks and your car smells like rotten onion for as many weeks. It's not great. Ugh.